It's 20 past 2 a.m. Still in the lab, just recorded 4 Afrobeats. I wanna trap. Killmatic, 20 past 2 a.m. Still in the lab before I record these highlight songs. I wanna brag. Swag. 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 Here trying to make records. Pretty girls in the studio. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, same question. What is it, girl, you wanna know? Every song dope. Matter of fact, this one, can you put me in a video? Pass me the liquor, puff pass on the blunt. I like what you said, you can be what you want. What a night. Sublime flow, I'm trying to supply your needs. A breath of fresh air, I'm trying to help you brothers breathe. Hustle until we die, rest in peace. All I say to the haters, bless you like you sneeze. Point blank period, it's serious indeed. Money long, longer than the dreads on movies. You got girls who got the nicest, still take yours cause they like us. You talk about so you mean rikers. My mama said, my son, you're the sun. Sure you shine the brightest.
Boys P opportunists. You know what's the what? Till we're having conversations, I check it. What casa Kwame Lewis? What's the good for now? You're curious. 120 year Joe boys say we sika. Kilos to live with the boys, so other boys see the way see my freeway minimum would be can. They could demo to buy in Yana Mumbunipa. Coke 1 liter this year. Boys no go chop my money. This year I go dog boys for a crowd. This year paranoid more than Tony Montana. Give Fusha me coco some my bra. I dream born into wood so share come last. I feel we met dog game officer money in the class. Nipa team soon to go get to say a tie via Joe can I want your pass. Can I pass Eddie you will high grade. I did here DC boys white PV so we put a nice face. But you can't trust these niggas. You can't trust these niggas. You can never trust these niggas. God damn it. Damn it.
It's 40 past 4 a.m. Still in the club out here with supermodels and bottles that pop. Swag.
Nice. I'm in a different kind of zone. I see this rapper say this swaggin', but this rapper's running in and out of loans. Damn it, you can't trust this niggas. I can lie, I've been a victim of success. Fucking women, I've been fucking up the press. These hating rappers steady working on the checks, so they can get me on the hook and on the vest. It's 2 a.m. and no one gives a fuck. It's just me and the pen, yes, and that's what's up. Only beats on my computer desktop. All I do is eat them in one session and export. Logic, this shit is toxic. They tell me follow the rules, I do the opposite. They can't understand me or what accomplish it. My old man told me in life you stand opposite. Damn. And I don't ever want my little sister looking at me like a bitch. Nah, you know that shit hurts. I gotta be the man, I'm fired at Zamani.
60 past 6 a.m. back in the lab, do the math, that's 7 o'clock on the dot. Swag. Oh boy, the devil is a liar. My desire for so-called finer things diminished. I'm trying to finish my soul go higher. What does it require to spit flames, to spit fire? I'm sick and tired of y'all, I'm a jam, it's a fire. Take you back in the day, Kanye through the wire. All prior, life used to be rough, buying a crier. Who really would have thought we'd be heard like a choir? Step in my shoes or you can wear this attire. What we have is venom, real venom like a viper. So when we touch the mic, it's a rap like a cypher. I'm just hyper. It's been so much trees, that's why I roll with firefighters. Swag. Swag.
Nava Odomi Abra, so me sat me Indiasa, or me cut me to meet you. Yes. The guy made stress, you do that, yes, yo. Dance, make the dance on the dance floor. Put your hands in the air if you want more.
Be good, be good. Love, I'm so. Be good.
Swag. Canada man. Swag. Here trying to make records. Pretty girls in the studio.
Can we be strong?
What is it?